What's up, everybody? Splash Wine and Cocktail Bar in Hot Springs, Arkansas has a little something for everyone. Their revolving menu features everything from decadent charcuterie boards to mouthwatering sandwiches and tapas. And it's a perfect after-hours spot on the weekdays or the weekends. Be sure to check out their newly added Sunday Brunch as well. Let's see what's cooking in the kitchen.
FeastMode!
Owner and entrepreneur Cathy Caver is the mastermind behind this delightful escape. Today I'm being treated to an amazing shrimp and baguette plate, beautifully sautéed in garlic and butter, and finished off with a little Pernod and splash of white wine. The shrimp are placed atop 2 slices of grilled sourdough baguette and drizzled with stock and herbs. Looks amazing! Next, we're sampling the Italian beef sandwich, thinly sliced smoked brisket, grilled to perfection and layered with Havarti cheese. It all comes together on 2 slices of toasted Washita mountain bread and topped with a spicy jardiniere. Served with a house-made pickle, chips, and delicious beef au jus, this sandwich is guaranteed to satisfy the hungriest of Splash patrons. If you're a local, Splash is a must. And if you're planning a trip to Hot Springs, Arkansas, be sure to add this one to your itinerary. Reservations can be made at splashwinebar.com.
FeastMode!